Podia Community Tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a community using Podia. And I'll also be showing you how you'll be able to make money using Podia and their community feature. The first thing you will need to do is create an account on Podia. To do this, you're going to go onto podia.com and you can tap on Start Your Free Trial. After selecting Start Your Free Trial, you will be redirected to a new page on which you can sign up using your email address. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you're going to pay attention to the top navigation bar and you're going to select Community. Then you're going to tap on Home. After selecting Home, you'll be redirected to this page, and this is the dashboard or the behind the scenes of your community, as you can see right here. To get started, you could create your first post. To do this, you'll tap on New Post. Then you can put in your post name. So you could put in your post name right there. You can also add a video if you want, and you could upload a video thumbnail. And you can type in the content that you would like to add right there. After you have done that, you can choose from their tags feature. So you can see it from the left hand menu option. You have general and random. You can tap right here where you see choose topic, and you can select one of them that you would like to add the tag for. Then you'll tap on done, and you would have created your first community post. Now, if you would like to invite persons onto your community, all you'll need to do is tap on members. Once you have tapped on members, you could tap on invite member in the top right hand corner. From here, you could paste in their email address, then tap on send invite. Another thing that you can also do by tapping on settings from the left hand menu option, you can edit your community. For instance, you can change your community name, you could add a description, you can add a cover image, you can also upload a banner. And if it is a case that you would like to change the topics or the hashtags from the left hand menu option, you could tap on edit, and from here you could remove either one if you want, as you can see right there. And automatically you're going to be on the free plan, meaning that it will be free for persons to join your community. If you would like to change that, all you'll need to do is sign up to a payment method on Podia. So whether you would like to sign up to Stripe or PayPal, once you have done that, you will be able to charge persons to join your community. So you could tap on new plan right there. After selecting new plan, from here, for example, you can set up different tiers. So you could have the free plan, which would offer basic information. Then you could create a tier 2, for example, that you charge a particular price. So you could enter the tier name right there, then the description, and again you could add a cover image. Then you'll be able to select paid, and you can see right here all you'll need to do is connect your Stripe account or connect your PayPal account. After you have set up the different tiers, you can go back to home from the top left hand corner. Then you're just going to tap on launch community in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on launch community, your community will now be live, and you will be provided with a link, as you can see right there. So you can simply copy your link and then you can start promoting it on social media. So if I were to paste in my link, you can see how the cover page looks at the moment, as I haven't edited it. So this is how it would look, but you are going to put in your thumbnail and also a banner as you want it to look presentable. Now, to connect your payment method, I'm going to be showing you how to quickly do that. The first thing you will need to do is go over to the top right hand corner and tap on your profile pic. Then you're going to tap on settings. After selecting settings, from here you're going to tap on payments in the top left hand corner of the navigation bar. Once you have tapped on payments, you can see the option to connect Stripe and PayPal. You'll just tap on edit right there. Then you will tap on connect, and you'll be able to add in, for example, your Stripe information, as it will redirect you to Stripe. You can also tap on connect PayPal and you'll be able to do the same. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.